If you're searching for private server for Genshin Impact 3.5, then this video is for you. So first I'll show you the proof, then I'll show you how to do it. And you can see I got all the characters as C6. You can see yourself. And I got all the weapons as R5 and level 90. And now it's gameplay time. Let's go, 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 boys, let's go, let's go, let's go. So guys, the first step is you need to open your Genshin Impact game directory, okay? Just do as I am doing. Go to your Genshin Impact game files, okay? This is where I installed my Genshin Impact 3.5, okay? Go to the Genshin Impact game folder, okay? Then what you need to do, I am giving you a RSA page file, okay? The download link in description, just download it. After downloading it, just copy this file and paste it in your Genshin Impact game directory folder. So, and replace it with this stock one. So we have replaced it, so our first step is done. So guys, the second step is you need to download Fiddler Classic. Also the download link in description, just download it for your Windows. After that, just install it right away in your PC, then launch it in your PC, simple. After launching it, click on this notification as always no, okay? Then go to the Fiddler script option you can see here and delete, select all the things and remove from it. And I have given you another script, also the download link in description, just paste it here and click on the save script icon, okay? For this script I have given you another text file in the description, you can download from there. After that, after pasting the script, you need to click on the save script. After that, what you need to do, you need to go to these tools, then go to these options, okay? And then go to the HTTPS and click on this capture HTTP, click on this decrypt and from all processes and click on this ignore, okay? After that, go to the actions, go to the trust shoot certificate, then yes, then yes, then yes, then okay, then again okay, okay? And now the second step is done. So guys, now all the steps are done to run a private server successfully. Now the first thing you need to do to launch private server, first launch your Fiddler Classic application, okay? And after launching it, click no as usual and then just minimize it because we already set up it. So now there is no any single thing to do with it, just minimize it. And then there are two ways to launch your Genshin Impact. One from the launcher, okay? You can see this is 3.5, but you need to focus on this. You don't have to launch your Genshin Impact from the launcher, okay? Otherwise you will not get to 3.5 private server. Go to your Genshin Impact game directory, okay? As I am going, go to the Genshin Impact. So go to the Genshin Impact game again, okay? So we get into the folder. So there is an application to run Genshin Impact directly without launcher. So launch your Genshin Impact from here to get into private server 3.5 successfully, okay? So now we are in the Genshin Impact private server. So let me first log out from my account, okay? So I am making now what you need to do, just use any random username. For example, your name is John, so I am using John, and any random password, okay? Any random password, and start the game. Agree to the following and choose your server, like you're from Europe, Asia, Indonesia, which server is your, just like my server is Asia, so I'll go into the Asia one. Then click to begin and preparing to load. As easy, as simple as that, okay? Then just click. So after getting into the private server, what you first need to do, go to the commands and type /g and all, okay? So now the second command you need to type for get all the weapons and all the characters is /g weapons. And now to get all the characters, you need to type /g avatars. And now you can see we got all the weapons, as you can see, and we got all the characters as C6. And even we got our and they are here. So I hope you love this tutorial. If you have any doubts, so I am giving the Discord link of Yuki in the description. You can go to the Discord and join them to get updated to the private server, and also subscribe to this channel to also get updated to the tutorials. So bye bye, see ya, have a good day.